Hey, it's Jonathan here, your Tampa Bay Realtor. I'm out here at 1591 Jonathan Court in Largo, Florida, and I'm doing an open house for 12 to 3 today, and the home is listed at $699,000 in the Sterling Woods subdivision. So this is a quick view of the subdivision and the homes in it, as well as the home that we're doing the open house at. And we're going to do a quick tour of the home. So this is the entryway to the home, and we're going to go take a look inside. You enter into a nice open floor plan with the living room, the kitchen, and a little dining nook, as well as a little dining area. All the appliances are stainless steel, and flooring is in good condition. This used to be a porch, it seems. There's a little step down, but it is now an AC'd sunroom.